Hey guys, so what we got here is the Canarm Twister Ceiling Fan. I'm just gonna floor test it because I don't have any time for help right now to put it on the box up there. So yeah, I don't have the light globe on it because it's too big. So yeah, and the blades are white to bleached oak. Don't know if you can see that. But yeah, anyways, without further ado, let's start testing it. Here's the light. That is a very bright bulb. It's an LED bulb. That's the bulb the fan came with. So, yeah. I don't know if I showed you. There's the globe right there in the box for the light. So, yeah. Anyways, let's start this thing on low speed. Gotta be careful here not to hurt myself when testing this. Kind of rubs on the housing because I have it on the floor. So, yeah. But I'm already feeling a breeze from it. Blows a good amount of air. It has a fast slow. So, yeah. Here's a medium. You can already feel, I can already feel a lot of air from it on medium. It has a fast medium. And here's high. Very powerful fan this is. Moves a lot of air, and it moves very fast even. So yeah, here's the fan and light on together. All right. Let's do a spin down. Oh dear. Now the pull chains are on the fan. I hope that won't be a problem. I hope that won't interfere with the spin down. I'll have to fix that after when we do reverse. All right, let me just fix the pull chains here. It's hard to keep these on inside the light kit. There we go. I hope that didn't interfere with the spin down, but yeah, hopefully I can do a video of this on the ceiling if I can find a home for it somewhere in this house. But yeah, anyways, we'll do reverse. Here's low. Yeah, sorry about that squeaking noise and that rubbing noise. It's rubbing on the housing because I have it on the floor. It's not bearing noise, just so you all know. Here's medium. I can feel air from it on reverse from where I am. It's even blowing this here. Okay, here's high. Oh yeah, I could feel a lot of air now. It's even blowing that and that. It's really starting to blow this now. And turn it off. And that's it. So I made this video for Fans Buses Gaming because he has a white Canarm Twister just like this one. And his is going to be going up soon, up on the stairs. I hope that will be soon. He said it would probably be this weekend or next, or maybe this week perhaps, at some point soon. But yeah, anyways, hope you all enjoyed this, and thanks for watching, and remember to comment, rate, and subscribe.